How to change language on Bilibili, best method. If you're a fan of anime, gaming, or Chinese culture, you've probably heard of Bilibili, one of the biggest streaming platforms in China. But did you know you can change the language settings to make the site more user friendly? Today, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Bilibili. Whether you want to switch to English or any other language available, this tutorial has got you covered. First things first, go ahead and open your browser and head over to the Bilibili website at www.bilibili.com. You can do by simply typing on bilibili.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the default language is probably set to Chinese. Let's head over to change it. As you open the website, here you can see translate page. Simply tap on translate. You can also translate to any other language. As you can see, I have translated it to English. Just go to settings, and here you can simply click on the edit button, and here as you can see you can find various language that you can switch to, but I'm going to be choosing to simply on English. But if you want to simply go to see original, you can also tap on show original, and that's it. That's how you can simply translate language in Bilibili.